outside, or is he gonna hide back in his house again? He went back in his house again. Probably just too warm for him. Lucky Kookaburra. He just wants to hang out where it's nice and cool. He's all stretched out. He kind of looks like Blake, but a lot thinner, a lot longer. And he's called a what?
Fossa.
Fossa? You're used to this heat, buddy.
You're not coming this way.
You have no problem with this heat, huh? You guys are built for this. He's like, come on, somebody pose with me. Come on, it's been a boring day.
Oh, come on.
Ringtail lemur, right?
There you are.
Want my snack? Okay. Get up there. They're not going to bring it to you. Laptop here with what I think is a corrupted BIOS, but we're trying to install Windows 7, not Windows 7, Windows 10. Turn on the HF over here on this frequency. We're getting a pretty nice, pretty clear HF fax window. I'd say out of a 10, probably a 7, 7.5. A lot better than it was last night, a lot more clear. It's been really, really super hot the last few, I don't know, 8, 9 days, and one day I got to like 102. Like, come on, wanna go inside? Come on. It isn't too bad out, but you need to go inside and eat and cool off a little bit. Let's go. Come on. Anyway, we got a little bit of rain this morning. You can see a little bit of the, looks like it's beginning to build up just a little bit to the south and east, but that's been the trend for the last week or so. We're sitting in traffic here now and everything right downtown, right by the new Graduate Hotel here. We went over there a couple weeks ago. I don't know if I put the video up there. I think I did, because it had some pretty good aerial shots out of the 16th story window. It used to be a Holiday Inn, but the Graduate bought it out and redecorated it and repurposed it, so now it's more of a retro theme inside. Okay, what's Jeffrey been up to? Here, let's show us. Okay, what have you been watching? What have you been watching for the last few days? I know you've been watching a lot of emergency alert system videos because of the noise is very, very loud and annoying, isn't it?
Last night.
EAS signal come up on what, channel 91?
Yeah.
The other night, just after midnight?
Yeah.
But you have less than 1 month of school. No, less than 1 month before school starts. So what have I been doing for the last few weeks? Well, pretty much this stack of laptops here. They're almost all ready to go. Actually, 3 out of the 5 are ready to go. I've been waiting for replacement parts, putting them together, installing them, troubleshooting them, fixing them, all that fun stuff. And I got another tub of them underneath there to go through in the next few months. So that's pretty much why I've been so YouTube absent.